What was that you found in the bottom?
Trash can lid.
Roger. We'll hand that trash can lid up and out there, Austin.
Roger.
Alright, you ready to start rolling?
Yeah, I'm good. I've been rolling.
Okay.
Rolling as soon as I saw the trash can lid.
Roger.
Alright, diver's now going to start his penetration downstream from junction box or manhole number 1. We call this manhole location number 1, 0 plus 80. When I take a still photo, I'll edit and put the station number in there wherever a photo's at.
Roger that. 3 inches of sediment at the invert on the entrance into the pipe. Penetrating the pipe.
Roger, penetrating the pipe.
And let's see, I'll give you a depth of water here. 10 inches of water. Come up to our first joint. At our first joint here. Got a little bit of failure right past the joint there.
Little crack in the pipe.
Yeah, roger. This is at our 3 o'clock.
Roger. Spring line, right hand spring line.
Yep. It is 6 inches tall.
So that's a vertical crack along that corrugation?
Yes, sir.
Alright.
Got some earth seeping in from around the edge of this joint here.
So you got some sediment infiltration?
Yes, sir. You see that there?
Yeah. Can your probe go all the way through it there? Or?
No, it's
So that's just kind of coming in.
along this back.
I wonder if that's just sediment built up in that crack. You know, from being a elevation difference right there in the two and that. And, you know, it's got that backing on it. At that back wall of the pipe there on the joint.
Yeah, roger.
I wonder if it's just kind of catching that sediment as it rolls through.
That may be. It's a good joint.
Roger. Other than the crack.
Yeah, roger. Well, you got some more separations over here on the corrugated spots. That's along the 8 o'clock position.
Got numerous cracks there.
Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Like stress cracks.
Yeah, roger.
You say it's on the left-hand side?
That's correct. Longest one is about 16 inches, 1/6.
Roger. How much sediment you got there at that joint? That station?
About an inch.
Say again?
1 inch.
1 inch of material?
Yes, sir.
Alright, you can put Austin down in the hole. Whenever you're ready to travel.
Traveling. Still got your splits along about the 8 o'clock to 9 o'clock positions here. All the way through this section. Getting some, okay. Got some water infiltration here.
That's some groundwater.
Yep.
Is that at the next joint?
It's about midway through this section of pipe, so about 10 feet into it.
Roger.
It's about 4 inches wide and about 1 inch tall. Got some earth coming through along with the water.
Roger, hold that right there.
Roger.
Okay.
Alright. Definitely you can see the sediment here.
Yeah, sediment build up there.
Yep, roger. That seems to be seeping in.
Got a discrepancy right there above it.
Yes, sir.
Still about this, about what? Is that the next joint?
Negative. Still in the same section of pipe.
Okay.
And the overall length of that is 4 inches wide. 2 inches tall. Again, got groundwater infiltration. A little bit of earth coming through.
We call that station 0 plus 115.
Roger.
Alright. Hold that right there. Put your finger on there where it's coming in at. Okay.
We've also got a crack.
Yeah, I see it.
You got earth and water coming in right there as well.
And that's where the sand's coming in.
Yes, sir.
Alright.
Another crack right there ahead of it, but it doesn't have anything coming through. The next joint here. Got a fail at the crown. Crack. "16 inches long. Looks like they did a urethane injection on it.
Is this why they was talking about where they put something on the outside and poured concrete around it, maybe?
It may be. I see urethane poking through right here.
Okay. So that might be an outside repair.
Roger.
Look like it's intact still.
Yes, sir. No seepage or anything in it.
Roger, so I got station 0 plus 120. Previous repair appears to remain intact.
Yes, sir. Correct.
Roger.
Alright, moving on. I got,
How much? Yeah, give me sediment.
"5 inches.
Roger, 5 inches sediment.
Alright, got the, basically from the 8 to the 10, you've got a void here. Your interior piece of plastic has failed.
How far past the joint are you?
About 8 feet, 7 feet, 8 feet.
So the 8 to 10 o'clock got a void behind the wall of the pipe.
Still got the outer part of the pipe there. The inside is broken.
So the interior wall of the pipe is failing,
That's correct.
but still holding the. I mean, is it the integrity of the pipe still intact?
Yes, sir.
So 0 plus 128, 8 to the 10 o'clock, inner wall of the pipe is cracking, failing. Interior of the pipe is compromised, but still holding.
That's correct.
Roger. How much? Okay, going to the next one. How much water you got in there? Not much? Not enough?
Not enough. Let's see.
Hey, you can just tell me the next joint, that's fine.
I got 5 inches of water here on top of the sediment. Next joint here. It's 9 o'clock. Three o'clock. 12 o'clock. Good joint.
So this is station 1 plus 140?
Yes, sir.
Good joint?
Yes, sir. Good joints.
Roger.
Sediment is 6 inches. Plus 4 inches of water.
How much sediment?
6 inches.
Roger.
Next joint.
Roger, station 1, 0 plus 160.
Seven inches of sediment.
Roger, 7 inches sediment.
Good joint.
Roger, give me a shot of the crown. Yeah, Roger.
Alright.
How you doing, Austin? How you doing, Austin?
Pretty good. Can you hear me?
I got you. I got to keep you turned down a little bit so you don't overpower the diver. I'll just check in with you every once in a while.
No, I'm not communicating.
Say again. Roger, 0 plus 180.
Next joint here. There's the crown.
Good joint.
Good joint.
Sediment.
Seven inches.
Roger, 7 inches. Traveling. you doing?
Good.
Roger.
Starting to see the pipe kind of turn oval.
It's getting oblong.
Yep.
And we're how far past that last joint are you?
About halfway. Well, probably about 12 feet past. Next joint.
Roger. 0 plus 200.
Crown. 9 o'clock. 3 o'clock. Looks like it might have some infiltration right here.
Roger. Signs of some minor infiltration.
Six inches of sediment.
Go back to that sign of minor infiltration. Take a still shot of that. Hold that.
Roger.
Okay.
Alright. Got a failure at the crown. Well, just shy of the crown. It's at about the 1 o'clock.
Is that a repair or? That don't look like it, does it?
Nope.
That's how far past 200 there?
Starts at about 3 feet past 200.
Roger. Pan up to the failure. That's just a crack in the wall of the pipe.
That's in the crown.
That's in the crown.
Yes, sir.
Does it go all the way through?
No, sir.
So a crack in the crown but does not go all the way through?
That's correct.
Roger. Okay.
Crack measures. About 6 feet long.
Roger. Just wide enough to get your blade tip through?
Yeah, roger. See it right there.
Hold that. Okay.
Alright, this is about 6 feet past that crack. Got infiltration of earth and water. This is on the 3 o'clock side.
So there must be a crack there?
Roger.
That's a crack in the spring line of the pipe.
Yes, sir.
Vertical.
Yes, sir. We got multiples here. You got 9 inches of sediment here.
Roger, so I got 3 o'clock. I got crack in the vertical plane of the pipe, allowing sand and water to infiltrate the pipe, 9 inches sediment, multiple cracks.
Yes, sir.
Hold that right there. Okay.
Alright. Next joint here. 3 o'clock.
Roger. A wide gap at the joint, but still intact.
Yep, about 2 inches. Crown. There's 9 o'clock. You got a crack right here in the wall of the pipe, but it's not letting anything through.
Is the pipe still oval there?
Yes, sir. Seven inches of sediment.
Roger, 7 inches sediment, good joint.
Alright. This is 2 feet past the joint. It starts along the crown. I do have some earth coming through the crack here. Crack runs about 5 feet.
What side of the pipe is that on?
Say again?
What side of the pipe is that on?
That's at the crown.
That's along the crown?
Yep.
Okay. Hold that right there.
Yep.
All right.
Got a crack that goes all the way around.
Where's that at?
4 feet past that last one.
So I'm going to call that station 230.
Roger.
So you got a crack runs all the way around the pipe?
Yes, sir.
Roger. It's not a joint, isn't it? There's the next joint right there, ain't it?
Next joint's up further.
I got you. All right.
You got multiple cracks along the 3 o'clock.
Okay.
Alright. And now just 2 feet past that, you got 2 holes here, both letting in water. The first one's about a 3-inch wide hole. Excuse me. And the other one's about 4 inches wide, about 1.5 inches tall. That's at 9 o'clock.
So I got 2 feet past, 2 through holes with groundwater, 3 inches and 4 inches wide by 1.5 inch tall. 9 o'clock.
That's correct.
Roger. How much sediment you got there?
Uh, 5 inches.
Roger. 5 inches.
A little bit of infiltration over here at the 3 o'clock as well. Same station.
Roger.
Alright, at the next joint here, got a small crack at the crown. Not letting anything through as far as earth or water. There's the 9 o'clock. Back up to the crown. Other than that, it's a good joint.
So I got a small crack in the crown with no infiltration. I'm going to call that a satisfactory joint.
Roger. 5 inches of sediment.
Roger.
Alright, moving on.
Moving on.
Next joint.
Roger. 0 plus 260.
Crown. Good joint.
Roger. Good joint.
I got 5.5 inches of sediment.
Roger. Traveling.